Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to create a sloped ceiling. So for example, we have these objects and I will create for sloped ceilings. You can use the cabinet tools and then use soft fit and I will create in here for the cabinet. So it will be shown in the 3D models and you can resize to the top here and I will make more thick. So the next to create for the angles for these ceilings, slope ceilings, you can double click on the objects and will be sure for the soft fit specification. Checks for place under a roof. Click OK. It will be create the slope and you also can copy these objects by using the copy tools. Okay, you can select transforms, copy, and I will set like into 3 for copy. Click OK. And you can move to drag here, copy. Okay, select again the objects. And the next, the objects. So that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial. How to create a sloped ceilings. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.